Hello everyone, Dr. Ashi is here. Another video with BOLDENONE ZPHC. Sorry, I don't have the bottle because I gave it to one of the people in my gym that he using this, so he was interested. So after I draw 1 ml for my test, the rest he's using right now. I will update you regarding his gain later in another video. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss about how pure and how good is BOLDENONE from ZPHC. So if you're interested, please follow me. Before that, I just want to disclaim that I just want to inform you, I do not advocate of taking any kind of steroid, any kind of human growth hormone. And if you want to do it, please do it at your own risk. I just do my test and share my result. You cannot put anything inside your system based on the result I'm discussing here. And my point is just to inform you that some brands outside can have a less side effect than others, because at least what's inside the bottle is what they say it is, and they have less solvent and toxic compound, or unfortunately bacteria inside, which can cause infection. So let's get into ZPHC BOLDENONE. First thing first, bacterial culture. Zero bacterial culture. In the previous video, I already described the bottles, that it is really high standard. It's a pharma standard. The oil have a right density, and based on the guy who I already gave it to him, he doesn't feel any rash, any inflammation, and injection is very smooth. So that's a very good sign. As I always explain, detecting what type of oil they use, it takes lots of analysis, and I don't have a font for it. But overall, the density of it I can tell, and also the molecular weight is just right. So all of that aside, what about the active ingredient, or AI? The AI percentage for BOLDENONE I received was 97%. This is really high. I hope ZPHC continue like this, because this is like really one of the toppest I ever seen. Again, my test can have 10% mistake. It could be even overdose, like over 100%, which means if it says 250 milligram, it could be close to 300 milligram, 260 milligram, 270 milligram, or it could be 10% less, which could be around 220, 230 milligram. Either way, it's fantastic. Either way, it's really, from the active ingredient point of view, it's right. Injection won't have any problem based on my friend explanation. My test didn't show any bacterial culture. In the HPLC, I didn't find hexene, I didn't find acetone, which is a very good sign. And dispersion, overall dispersion was high quality. And just you should remember, you should not put these in the freezer. After, if you freeze it, the active ingredient and carrier oil won't be mixed anymore, so they can separate it, and then you should not inject it after that. So these are all the important points for the BOLDENONE. I hope I can get more product from this company. If I can, I would definitely share it with you in the future. If you're interested, please follow my Telegram channel and email. You can send your email to me if your question worth money. Till next time.